Good morning. It is Saturday morning. Competition has been drawn. It is go time. So we've drawn 3 winners. Our first winner, who if they have their sign up, will be the winner of our Powerwall. We've drawn a first reserve and a second reserve. So little hint, we're off to Orangeville this morning. If our client at Orangeville doesn't have their sign up, we're off to North Richmond. So a bit of a drive back to North Richmond. Third reserve, we are back in Penrith. So good luck, stay tuned to where we're gonna go. We've got the battery loaded up. We're heading to Orangeville, ETA 10 a.m. See you then. So we're here at Mark's house out at Orangeville. He's got his sign up. He's ready to go. So we're gonna go knock on the door, let him know that he's the winner of our Tesla Powerwall giveaway and get this thing going. Mark!
G'day, mate.
Jake from Penrith Solar.
Oh, how you going?
Good, good. Mate, you're the winner of our Tesla battery giveaway.
Oh, really?
Congratulations.
Oh, well done. Very good. Thanks
No
very
exciting.
much.
No stress. Mate, come on out. Let's have a bit of a look where we're going to put this thing. So what we'll do, we'll just run through the inside.
Waiting for this build, so now you're going to put this in, that'll be interrupted again. So
Yeah.
we're waiting for a.
That he sees on customers' houses as he's just driving,
Yeah.
and then he puts up on the.
There you go. Always get
Not
that.
as glorious
Always
as it
get that
should
little bit at the end.
Yeah. All good. I'll do that, Mark. That's all good.
That's good job.
Thanks, mate. There you go. Congrats.
Thanks,
Thank you,
mate.
mate. No
Cheers.
stress.